Hello, fitness fanatics. Can't find the time or motivation to hit the pavement? Bring the workout to you with a top-notch treadmill. Today, we present to you the top 8 best treadmill perfectly suited to your fitness needs. Bring the path to your doorstep and enjoy the convenience and comfort of crushing your workout at home. Kicking off our list is the top 8 product, the easiest to store ProForm City L6 folding treadmill. Forget about bulky, space-hogging fitness equipment. The revolutionary City L6 treadmill practically disappears, allowing you to reclaim your living space in the blink of an eye. Sure, it may not be built for hardcore running, but this compact powerhouse is the ultimate secret weapon for light walkers and casual fitness enthusiasts. Pair it with your tablet and dive into the iFit interactive training platform, or use it as a quick space-saving solution to get those steps in during your busy workday. Next in our list is the Go Youth 2-in-1 Under-Desk Electric Treadmill, which is the best walking pad. Ditch the bulky treadmills and transform your desk into a calorie-crushing powerhouse with the game-changing walking pad. This compact, lightweight wonder seamlessly integrates into your standing desk setup, letting you pack in serious cardio while you crush those reports or attend virtual meetings. With a blistering 6 miles per hour top speed and a breeze-to-move design, the walking pad makes it easy to unleash your inner fitness warrior and watch the steps and calories melt away. Forget about training for marathons. This desk-dominating fitness machine is all about maximizing your productivity and physique in one unstoppable package. If you're looking for a treadmill that is not cheap but not expensive,
as always, you can find all the product links mentioned in this video, provided right in the video description and in the pinned comment down below.
The top 6 product is perfect for you, the NordicTrack EXP10i. For years, NordicTrack's T-Series has been the go-to for budget-conscious fitness enthusiasts. But the game-changing EXP line, anchored by the mighty 10i, is here to take your workouts to new heights. Sure, the 10i may have slightly scaled-back specs compared to the legendary commercial 1750, but this machine packs a serious punch. The 20-inch belt provides ample room, while the 12% incline can challenge even the most seasoned fitness junkies. And with potential savings, you can reinvest in new shoes to keep crushing those goals. Moving on to our list, let's highlight the classic design of our top 5, the Soul F80 treadmill. Don't let its compact frame fool you. The Soul F80 is built to withstand even the toughest workouts. With a durable frame that supports up to 375 pounds, rail-mounted speed, dark incline buttons for lightning-fast adjustments, and the ability to prop it up in front of your TV, this treadmill is a true workout warrior. Sure, it may lack the fancy features of competitors, but the F80 makes up for it with pure, unadulterated power. Unleash your fitness fury and conquer your goals with this unstoppable treadmill. Let's now give the floor to the top 4 of our list. The Horizon Fitness 7.0 AT treadmill, which is best for streaming classes. Ditch the restrictive ecosystems and take control with the Horizon 7.0 AT. This treadmill connects to your iPad or tablet, unlocking the freedom to use Peloton, Zwift, and more. Intuitive thumb dials let you quickly adjust speed and incline for a seamless workout. With a compact, sturdy build and no built-in TV to drive up costs, the 7.0 AT is the ultimate in workout flexibility and value. Unlock your fitness dreams with this innovative treadmill. At number 3, we have the affordable but high-tech ProForm Carbon TLX treadmill. Unleash fitness greatness with the ProForm Carbon TLX. As the sister to NordicTrack, this treadmill packs a punch with cutting-edge tech. Enjoy a free 1-year iFit subscription for interactive workouts, a blistering 12 miles per hour top speed, and a powerful 3.0 horsepower motor, all for just $999. The 7-inch touchscreen puts a world of customization at your fingertips. Elevate your home gym with the unbeatable ProForm Carbon TLX. At number 2, tagged as best value, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7603 treadmill. This budget-friendly treadmill delivers killer workouts without breaking the bank. Sure, it may not be as beefy as the high-end options, but it packs a punch with a 9-mile-per-hour motor and adjustable incline. While the slim belt may be a compromise, it still provides a smooth, reliable ride, perfect for daily walks or the occasional heart-pumping jog. And at this price point, it's built to outlast many gym memberships, giving you affordable access to the fitness you crave. Ditch the excuses and transform your home into a high-performance workout haven with the Sunny Health and Fitness treadmill. Last but not definitively the least, the top 1 rank goes to NordicTrack Commercial 1750, identified as the best overall product. This treadmill packs a serious punch, delivering unbeatable value and convenience. Imagine a towering 14-inch touchscreen where you can access a vast library of trainer-led workouts that automatically adjust your speed and incline. No more fussing with buttons. And with a whisper-quiet incline motor, you can train hard without distracting noise. The spacious 20-by-60-inch deck provides ample room for your longest strides, while the sturdy, wide body frame can handle heavy impacts. Plus, the customizable cushioning lets you fine-tune the perfect level of bounce. Whether you're chasing a new personal best or enjoying scenic virtual runs, the Nordic Track 1750 is your ticket to elevating your home gym game and smashing your fitness goals.
Thank you for watching. You can learn more about these excellent products by following the links in the description down below. If this video was helpful, please remember to like, comment, and hit the subscribe button. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you.